might be a fuel reservoir and make me the most powerful man on Earth. Doombot, ignore safety warnings and set for maximum extraction. Now, put your head against the headrest. I don't want to miss a drop. Prepare to be terrorized.
Ferme tes yeux, les amis. Ferme tes yeux. Ah, ça, c'est correct. Ok, mais attends. Ils sont remontés une choc, là. Ferme tes yeux. Voilà.
Your proceedings with the loss. You have served Doom well. Thanks to you weak mortals, I finally have the power I need to crush the Fantastic Four.
Pulling back these subjects, wait to get the Fearfall device, please. Pull in and push out. Pull in and push out. Fuera para adentro y para afuera. Oh, hail Dr. Doom.